Hi, and welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to continue watching YouTube while you're on other pages or using other apps. To do this, we'll use the picture-in-picture mode that lets you watch videos in an adjustable pop-up floating window that stays at the top of the screen. The method might be different for different browsers. In this tutorial I'll use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Let's get started. For Microsoft Edge, play the YouTube video and right-click on the video. Now move the cursor out of the black box and right-click again. Finally, click on the picture-in-picture option. For Google Chrome the procedure is similar to that of Microsoft Edge. First play the YouTube video. Then double-click the right mouse button on the video. Finally, click on the picture-in-picture option. For Mozilla Firefox, play the YouTube video. In this browser, you can find the picture-in-picture option above the same video. Follow the procedure. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe.